Alright guys, back on the link, and as you can see, getting ready to put this intake manifold on. Here's a new intake manifold. It's a Felpro brand. Got everything to it. So you can see the intake manifold. Cleaned it the best I could, you guys. This bad boy was caked with stuff. Had a little bit of rust building down here, as you can see, a little discoloration, but you know, scrubbed it the best I can. So it's nice and ready. Cleaned the other side the best I could too. Probably could have painted it, but not enough time for that. Customer's on my butt. I'm so behind on this car. And he doesn't even need it every day, but yeah, you know, some people are, they want their vehicles back as soon as possible. So customer service, customer satisfaction is definitely what I'm trying to reach here. So let me go ahead and put it back in there. There it is. As you can see, I cleaned up the surface as best as I could with my wire wheel, with my little air wire wheel, my pneumatic wire wheel. And there it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start setting this in. All right, let me get to it.